Once upon a time in the quaint town of Curiousville, there lived a brilliant scientist named Dr. Curious. She was known far and wide for her insatiable curiosity and her knack for discovering new and exciting things. One sunny morning, as Dr. Curious was sipping her morning tea, she received a mysterious package. Curious as ever, she opened it to find a tiny, magical microscope. This microscope was no ordinary one. It could shrink her down to the size of a dust particle and take her on a journey into the microscopic world. Excitement filled her heart as she put on her lab coat, adjusted the microscope, and took her first step into the unknown. As she shrank, she found herself surrounded by a mesmerizing world filled with vibrant colors and strange shapes. She encountered cheerful microorganisms, some shaped like balls, others like rods, and even some like spirals. Dr. Curious waved at a friendly microorganism, who waved back with its tiny cilia. She struck up a conversation with the microorganism, who told her about the vital role they played in breaking down waste and helping plants grow. Dr. Curious watched in awe as the microorganism worked its magic, breaking down organic matter into nutrients for the plants. Next, she ventured into a tiny droplet of water, where she discovered a bustling city of aquatic creatures. These aquatic microorganisms swam gracefully, creating intricate patterns in the water. Dr. Curious hopped on the back of a water flea for a thrilling ride through the water world. Her adventure took her to the inside of a plant cell, where she saw the amazing process of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts danced to the tune of sunlight, turning it into energy for the plant. A friendly plant cell explained to Dr. Curious how they produced oxygen for the world. Her microscopic journey continued as she explored a drop of blood and met tiny red and white blood cells. The red blood cells carried oxygen, while the white ones fought off germs to keep the body healthy. Dr. Curious also visited a bee's hive, where she saw busy bees making honey. The bees explained how they collected nectar from flowers and turned it into sweet honey. As her adventure neared its end, Dr. Curious bid farewell to her newfound friends. She returned to her normal size using the magical microscope. Back in her lab, Dr. Curious couldn't wait to share her incredible journey with the world. She gave a presentation about the microscopic world, inspiring others to explore and learn. Kids and adults alike were captivated by her stories, and they too wanted to embark on microscopic adventures. Dr. Curious and her friends began planning their next adventure, ready to uncover more mysteries of the world. With their trusty microscope, they were ready for anything. As they set off on their new journey, they waved goodbye with excitement in their hearts. Their next adventure took them to explore the wonders of a leaf, where they discovered a whole new world. Leaf cells, like puzzle pieces, fit together to create the green tapestry of life. They learned how photosynthesis in leaf cells played a vital role in providing us with clean air and food. With each adventure, Dr. Curious and her friends grew more amazed by the beauty and complexity of the natural world. And so, the adventures of Dr. Curious continued, as they ventured into the unknown, fueled by their boundless curiosity and a magical microscope that allowed them to explore the tiniest corners of the universe.